Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video series from. Peter right here. Today we're going to be looking into a different topic. We wanted to discuss about how to set, change, or force desktop background image via Microsoft Intune. I'm going to be showing you how we achieve this. We can see that we have a different background. And if we log in to the device, we're going to have a different desktop background, which I think is pretty cool if you wanted to spice things up in your environment. So let's get started. How do I achieve this? So one thing I do is that first we have to make sure our device or devices actually join to Microsoft Intune. So I have like 3 devices right here running in my Hyper-V environment. So I already have them enrolled. The device is actually enrolled in Intune. So I'm going to show you all devices. These are the 3 devices. So right now, what we need to do to achieve that is to go ahead and navigate to devices, scroll down a little bit, configuration profile. Once we get here, we want to create a profile. We're going to select our platform. In my case, it's going to be Windows 10 and later. Then we're going to select template in the profile tab. We're looking for device restriction right here, and we're going to click on create. So you can give it a name. I have a couple of names right here, so I'm going to do desktop wallpaper. Give it some description, depends on you. Then we click on next. Now this is where the magic happens. I'm going to go and choose display. No, not display, sorry about that. The lock experience is actually the one that you see here when your device is locked. This one, this is the picture. So that is the one I'm going to be changing, and I'm not going to change any one of these. So I'm going to look for a pretty picture for me to put there. So I'm going to browse Bing. Now we have a lot of pictures, and I'm going to click on one picture. Make sure that is a picture that you have a license to use. So I'm going to put it right there. And while I have it, I'm going to go to personalization. So the other one we wanted to change is here, like for example, when the user login, what do we see on their desktop? So that's another one I wanted to change. So I'll go back to my endpoint configuration manager admin center, and I'm going to put the other picture that I want to appear. So let me look for a beautiful picture also. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I'm going to copy the image link, and I'm going to paste it there. All right, everything looking good. So I'm going to click on next. You can actually include groups of users or devices. Here, I'm just going to put it for all users in this case. Then next, and that's it. I mean, if you wanted to play around a little bit, for example, here you can assign the profile if the operating system or version. I mean, if you want to make these, like for example, maybe you're only on Windows 10 Enterprise or Home or any other thing that you wanted to put it on. But in my case, I'm not going to use it. This is just a test environment. I'm going to click on next and create. In my own test, I find out this policy does not go in like immediately. It does take some time, so we're going to give like we're going to do like a timer right here, so to see how long it takes for me to be able to get I'm just going to reset this for us to be able to get that change. So let's leave it over here and keep enjoying the music. I'll be right back. All right, look at that. It takes around like 10 minutes or maybe less. You see we have 2 succeeded. for that to actually complete, look at that. Let's go. I'm very excited right now. Look at that. This one is not done yet. This one is done. Look at that. Let's see. Let's pick up the one that is done. So I'm going to log in and I should see. Oh, look at our Windows 11. It's looking really pretty. All right, so looks like this one is also done. Let's see. So awesome. On our Windows 10 device is looking great. So this is how we actually set up a desktop background or change the desktop background using Microsoft Intune. It's really amazing to have you here. The only downside of this method, doing it that way, is that users won't be able to change the background. There's another way you can actually do it via PowerShell. If I do have some time, I'm going to put in another video and show you how to do that. So user will be able to change different background not different background settings, but they will be able to change the background by themselves with the available pictures that you provided. So it's my pleasure to have you here today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in my next one. If you do like it, please subscribe, share with your friends, and if you have any question, as always, you know where to put it on the comment section. Thank you so much and keep enjoying the rest of the day. Bye bye for now.